Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the Next Nation channel. Today we are talking about one of the most popular opportunities available right now for Indian nurses. Let me ask you something. Are you a nurse in India? And have you ever thought I want to go abroad, build a better life, earn more and give my family a better future? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Germany is one of the best countries in the world right now for Indian nurses. They have a huge shortage of nurses, and the German government is actively inviting nurses from India to come and work there. And the best part, it's not just a job, it's a complete lifestyle opportunity with a good salary, job security, and even a pathway to permanent residency. Let's walk through this opportunity step by step about eligibility, about the process, and what kind of life you can expect in Germany. My name is Shriya, and this is Next Nation, where we help Indian professionals find the right path to a global career. Let's get started. Why Germany? So first, why Germany? Why not Canada, the UK, or Australia? Here's the simple answer. Germany currently has more than 200,000 nursing job vacancies and not enough people to fill them. Because of this, the government has created special pathways to allow qualified nurses from countries like India. The process is clear, it's legal, it's well structured, and thousands of Indian nurses are already working in Germany today. This is not a rumor, this is a real government supported opportunity, and here at Next Nation, we are going to show you exactly how to do this step by step in our upcoming videos. This video is just the beginning. This journey, what does it look like? Now let me show you the big picture. Think of this journey with 5 important steps. Once you understand these 5 steps, everything becomes much clearer. Step 1. Learn German. This is the most important step. To work in Germany, you need German language skills, usually up to the B2 level. This can take around 12 to 18 months. Don't worry, we'll explain exactly how to learn German. Step 2. Get your degree recognized. Your Indian nursing qualification must be officially recognized in Germany. This process confirms that you're eligible to work there as a nurse. We'll cover this in detail in the next video. Step 3. Find a job. You can apply to hospitals or care homes in Germany. Many employers are actively looking for Indian nurses. We'll show you where and how to apply. Step 4. Apply for your visa. Once you receive a job offer, you will apply for a work visa through the German embassy in India. If your documents are correct, the process is quite straightforward. Step 5. Move to Germany and start working. You travel to Germany, complete any required adaptation period if needed, and begin working there as a licensed nurse. That's it. 5 steps, 1 clear path. Now let's talk about the benefits. As a nurse in Germany, you can earn around 2,200 euros to 2,800 euros per month, which is roughly 2 to 2.5 lakhs, and this increases with the experience. You get strong job security, and your employer will provide health insurance that covers your medical expenses in Germany. Many employers also support you with accommodation on your first arrival. You will get 20 to 30 days of paid leave every year, giving you a good work-life balance. Once you settle, you can bring your family, apply for permanent residency, and eventually even citizenship. This is not just a job, it's a complete life upgrade. Why German is so important now? Most of you must be thinking, why do I need to learn German? Can't I just manage in English? The honest answer is no. Germany is a German-speaking country. Most patients will speak German. Your doctors, your colleagues, your supervisors, all German. To work safely as a nurse, to communicate with patients, to read medical reports, you need German. This is not optional, it's a requirement. But here is the good news. You only need to reach B2 level. That's upper intermediate. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be clear and confident. The German language levels explain simply. German language is measured in 6 levels. A1, complete beginner. Basic words, hello, my name is. A2, simple conversations, greetings, shopping, basic sentences. B1, intermediate. You can have simple conversations about daily life. B2, upper intermediate. You can have professional conversations. This is your target. C1 and C2, advanced and fluent. You do not need this for nursing. For most German nursing visa processes, you need B1 for the visa and B2 when you arrive and start working. Some hospitals or states in Germany may require B2 even before you come. We'll cover this in the job video. How long will it take? This is the most common questions, and the honest answer is 12 to 15 months. For most people starting from zero, here's a rough timeline level. Level duration. A1 2 to 3 months, A2 2 to 3 months, B1 3 to 4 months, B2 3 to 4 months. Total around 12 to 15 months if you study seriously. 2 to 3 hours every day. If you study less, it will take you longer. If you study more intensively, you can finish faster. The key word here is consistency. Study every single day. Even 30 minutes daily is better than 5 hours once a week. Where to learn German in India? Great news, you do not need to go to Germany to learn German. There are many institutes across India where you can learn the language. However, if you're planning to build a career in Germany, Next Nation can help you with much more than just the language training. We provide structured German language classes from beginner level to B2 along with end-to-end guidance for your Germany journey. From German training and exam preparation to documentation, visa support, job opportunities and placement assistance, our team supports you throughout the entire process. Best for candidates looking for complete German language training and end-to-end support working in Germany. Tips to learn German faster. Let me share some practical tips that actually work. Start speaking early. Don't wait until you're ready. Start speaking German from day one, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn. Step 2. Watch German TV shows and YouTube with subtitles. Shows like Dark on Netflix are popular. Even German nursery rhyme channels on YouTube help your listening. Step 3. Find a language partner. Apps like Tandem or HelloTalk will help you connect with native German speakers who want to learn English. You help them, they help you. Free and very effective. Step 4. Learn medical German separately. Once you reach B1, start learning medical German vocabulary, body parts, hospital terms, medicines. This will help you greatly when you start working. Step 5. Take the official GOT exam when you're ready. Take the official GOT Institute exam for each level. This certificate is required for your visa and job application. The GOT certificate, why it matters. For your German nursing visa, you will most likely need the GOT B1 or B2 certificate. This is an official certificate from the GOT Institute that proves your language level. Plan your exams in advance. Registration fills up fast in big cities. To summarize, your target is B2 level. It takes 12 to 18 months with regular study. You can learn in India, the GOT Institute, online or at local institutes. Get your official GOT certificate, it is required. In our next video, we will talk about Step 2, how to get your Indian nursing degree recognized in Germany. This is a very important step and many people get confused by it. We will explain it simply and clearly. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss it. If you have any questions about learning German, drop them in the comments below. I read every single comment. See you in the next video. Bye.